Imagine finding a clay tablet from 4,000 years ago. On it, a secret is carved, a secret that turned an ordinary slave into the wealthiest man of his time. You open it, expecting complex formulas or magic spells, but it says only one sentence: a part of all you earn is yours to keep. You might say, that's nonsense. All the money I earn is mine. But is it really? When you get your paycheck, you pay your landlord, you pay the grocery store, you pay for your internet and subscriptions. By the end of the month, you've paid everyone except one person, yourself. Today, we're breaking down George Clason's system. It's older than the pyramids, but it works better than any modern banking app. We'll learn how the 10% first rule turns anyone into a financial giant. Babylon wasn't the richest city in the world because gold grew on trees. Its citizens simply knew the 7 cures for a lean purse. The first and most powerful cure: start thy purse to fattening. Clason says, for every 10 coins you put in your wallet, take out only 9 for spending. 1 coin must stay there forever. This isn't just about saving, it's a psychological shift. When you set aside the first 10% before you buy groceries or pay bills, you are telling the universe, I am the master of my money, not its slave. Quick reminder, Babylonian wisdom is just a beginning. On this channel, we translate ancient knowledge into the language of modern money. If you want to build your own golden city, subscribe and hit the bell icon. We break down systems proven by millennia. Done? Now, let's look at the hardest part: how to not spend that 10%. You might ask, how can I save 10% when I barely have enough to live on? Clason has a tough answer. That which each of us calls our necessary expenses will always grow to equal our incomes unless we protest to the contrary. This is Parkinson's law of finance. Got a raise? You immediately move to a more expensive apartment. Bought a better car? In the end, you earn more, but you stay just as poor. Your task is to budget so that your needs and wants fit into the remaining 90%. If they don't, cut your wants, not your 10% of freedom. Saved money isn't just metal. Clason calls every coin a golden slave. These slaves must work for you. If you just keep money under your mattress, it sleeps. If you invest it, it produces children, interest, and those children produce grandchildren, compound interest. But be careful. Babylonian wisdom says, consult only with experts. If you want to invest in gold, go to a jeweler, not a baker. Most people lose their first savings because they listen to a neighbor's advice on crypto or get-rich-quick schemes. Invest only where you understand how your capital is protected. Wealth is a tree that grows from a tiny seed. The sooner you save today is that seed. The sooner you plant it, and the more regularly you water it with your 10%, the sooner you can rest in its shade. Your task for tomorrow: as soon as you receive any money, immediately put 10% into a separate account. Act as if this money simply doesn't exist for spending. This is your payment for future freedom. Remember, Babylon fell, but its laws of money live forever. See you in the next video.